Hello and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can integrate OpenClaw with WhatsApp. So this is my OpenClaw which is running, and now I will show you how you can integrate it with the WhatsApp. So copy the command OpenClaw on board and run here. Yes, quick, use existing values and OpenAI Codex, authenticate API. I will skip for now all providers. Keep current. So this is configured on my machine, so I will keep this as it is. Then it is saying select the option WhatsApp QR link, click OK. Link WhatsApp now with QR code, press enter. Now open your WhatsApp and scan this. Now it is logging in. So it is logged in. So this is my personal phone. Okay. So this is my phone number, press enter. Configure skills, no. Skip for now. Restart. OpenClaw just replied on my WhatsApp. Hey, I just came online. I'm still figuring out who I am. Looks like we have not settled on a name or personality yet. I see you are Deepak. What to help me figure out who should who I should be? So we are getting the message from OpenClaw, and these are the latest news. I asked for the latest news, and it provided me the news. Netflix threatens ByteDance with litigation. Anthropic released Claude Sonnet 4.6. DoD may designate Anthropic as a supply chain risk. XAI faces an AACP lawsuit. So there are many news on the AI side. So in this tutorial, I showed you how to integrate OpenClaw with WhatsApp. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.